I wanted to show you guys how to add soft close to your cabinet doors. Now, you can buy special hinges that are soft close and just replace them. But there's a little bit easier and cheaper way to do it. I'm going to show you that. You can get these dampers, and I got these at Rockler, the store, but Home Depot sells them. You can get them on Amazon. I'll put a button so you can click and get them for yourself. I put them on all the cabinets that I've installed because I like to use less expensive cabinets in our house and kind of dress them up. So this gives you that soft close, and I'll show you how to install it. Okay, so you just put it up in the corner. You want to put it on the hinge side of your cabinets. So in the corner, the side of the door where your door hangs, and you just secure it into the top corner with a screw. It's usually best to drill a pilot hole first. I did that already. And then you put the screw in through there. So for a regular door, as far as weight and size, this would probably be fine, but you can adjust these. So I am moving, I don't know if you can see, but I'm moving this out because this is a heavier door, and now it will close.